Hi beautiful family, in today's video you will learn how to achieve a beautiful blow dry looking on your natural hair without using any heat, which is perfect for maintaining healthy hair. So this is the stage of my hair. My hair is fresh wash. I've already moisturized the hair, so I'll be using Brazilian wool. So I'll go off camera to roll out the wool. After rolling out the wool, this is the length of wool that I roll out so that it will be enough for my hair length. So my hair is still damp. I just fresh wash my hair. I've already moisturized my hair, so you can't do this on a dry hair. Secondly, you can't do this on a dirty hair. Okay, thirdly, you can't do this without you moisturizing your hair. So before you start doing this, make sure that your hair is fresh wash, you have moisturized your hair, and your hair is not dirty. Okay, so I will part my hair into half. I'm trying if I can part a clean pattern, but whether clean parts or not, I will still do what I want to do to my hair. So if you are good in parting your hair, I know that your part will be more clean than mine. I'm not good in parting my hair. Okay, so after parting my hair into half, okay, so I will start working in this session. So this session I will make 4 parts in this session. So I'm just taking my first part on this session. So next thing now is to use my white tooth comb to comb my hair again. I've already combed my hair before, but I just want to smooth out the hair so that if there's any knot on my hair, the knot can go out. So I'm using 3 pieces of my Brazilian wool to thread my hair. So first thing I need to speak out there, if you are doing this heatless blow dry, please do not hold your scalp. Okay, don't hold your hair so tight on the root of your hair. Just give a gap, 1 to 2 inches of a gap before I start threading your hair, so that will not cause necessary tension on your hair. Okay, so I'll just thread the hair. Once I get to the end of my hair, I will add more hand so that the threading and my hair will not be the same length. Okay, so I like to add more length for my threading, so that even I want to use scissors to cut the hair after threading, I will not going to cut the tip of my hair. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Add more hand. Don't thread to the end of your hair. Add more hand. Let the threading, don't thread the same length of your hair. Let the thread be longer than your hair. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Please, if you don't understand, just pay close attention. You understand what I'm trying to say. So after threading that first session, I will move on to second session. Using too much heat on your hair, if you are someone that wants to have healthy hair, it's not good of using too much heat on your hair. Too much heat can cause a lot of damage to your hair. That's why I bring to you this simple routine of blow drying. Okay, this blow drying, this heatless blow drying method will help you to retain a lot of length, and also it will help your hair to look more healthier, and also it will help your hair not to be brittle, and also it will help you to minimize split end. Too much heat on your hair will cause you damage. It will cause you to have your hair will be brittle, your hair will be so thinny, and it will cause you split end, and also it can damage your hair with no time. So please, if you always use heat on your hair, please stop it. Okay, for you to have that healthy hair, use lesser heat. Like this method, use lesser heat, and your hair will continue look healthy and beautiful. So after threading this half part, you see I thread 4 parts in that session, and this session also I'll also thread 4 parts. So total of the threading will be 8 in number. If you must use heat on your hair, use heat twice in a year, being 6 months. Every 6 months you can use heat once in 6 months, or you can use heat once in 4 months. please don't use heat more than once in 6 months or once in 4 months for you to have healthy hair, for you not to damage your hair, for your hair not to be weak, for your hair not to be brittle. Okay, please avoid heat. Heat is not good on your hair. So after trending the hair, do you see how beautiful this hair is? You can even carry this hair as your protective hairstyle. After trending this hair, I fall in love with this hairstyle. It's so beautiful to me. I love it so much. So if you can carry this for 1 week on your hair. You can carry it 2 weeks on your hair. So it's also a beautiful hairstyle. You can achieve 2 things in one go: stretching out your hair and also wearing a protective hairstyle. Do you see? 2-in-1 benefits that will be gotten in using this. You can use it to stretch out your hair. You can also wear it as your protective hairstyle, okay, and keep your hair still healthy. So this will help you to have healthy hair, to have strong hair, to have beautiful hair, and also to help you to retain length. So after doing it, I will use what I did. I thread the ends and now I tuck it in. So I will use this now to give it another good look. You see, this hairstyle is so beautiful. After I make this hair finish, honestly speaking, I fell in love with this hairstyle. So much love this hairstyle. So I'm using my comb now to brush the front of my hair because I want to go out. I want to go out and buy something. And I wear this hair like this. Until I take down this protective hairstyle because I love it so much, honestly speaking. If you are a lover of threading, please let me know. Tell me if you love threading your hair. So this is how the hair is looking like. I carry this hair for 3 days. So I just wear wig, okay. I went to church and I put on my wig. That's why you're seeing that wig cap, okay. So now after 3 days I will lose the hair, but to me, I don't want to take this hair down, but because of I have something to do, okay, with my hair, so that's why I don't have any option than to take this hairstyle down. But let for me, if I have any option, I will not take this hair down yet. I would love to carry it up to 2 weeks, honestly speaking, but I'll still do this hairstyle again, okay. So after then, this is how my hair is. This is how my hair is. I'll start losing the hair. I'll pull it off. Do you see? It's so easy. This part is my favorite part. Let me know in comment section below. Do you love this part? Like I love this part so much. Whenever I do my African threading and I'm losing the hair, is my favorite part. I love it so much. So if you're like me, let me know in comment section below. If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not make it your last. Join this beautiful family by subscribing. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair healthy, longer and fuller with natural home remedies with DIYs. You're not going to regret it, okay? Join this family. Thank you for joining and welcome into the family. My returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you. I love you guys so much. So please, if you have not liked this video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button and also share this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much. So I'm trying to show you the back of my hair as I took my bets. Water touched the back of my hair, okay. So the back of my hair is wet. That's what I'm showing you then, okay. So next now is to grab my comb to start combing my hair. Do you see how my hair have stretched out? You see how my hair was? Do you see how my hair have stretched out? This is how my hair was before, and also this is how my hair has become so far. So beautiful. It's not only heat can give you a sweet stretch out. African threading can also give you a sweet stretch out, and also your hair will be in a good condition. You don't have anything to worry about. You don't have anything to worry about heat damage, okay. You still got a sweet blowout without you using heat, okay. But if you want your hair to stretch out more than this, Don't use it when the hair is too damp. As you can see from the beginning of this video, my hair is too damp. I just fresh wash my hair, moisturize my hair in the bathroom. Immediately I start trending my hair. So for the good results, for you to have more stretch out hair, use it when your hair is 80 to 90% dry. It will give you more stretch out look than this. Okay, let me know in comment section below if you be trying this heatless blow dry method, or have you been using this heatless blow dry method on your hair. Let me know in comment section below. Please, if you have been using too much heat, please stop it. Okay, I have questions to ask, and please let me know your answer in comment section below. Do you prefer short healthy hair, or you prefer long and unhealthy hair? So please, which one do you prefer? Is it short healthy hair or long unhealthy hair? Please let me know your answer in comment section below. Thank you so much. This is how my hair is looking like. I've come to end of today's video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and comment. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.